Yep, guys, sanibonani, sanibonani. I've been saying this. I've been saying this. ESouth Africa, they will decrease umnyaka wakho just to sell you abroad. Yes. Umfuke ngakubani bani. I suspected ukuthi labantu badala banabo 26, 27. Le nto ukuthi uzothi wena bana 19 because ufuna badlale la eSouth Africa for 5 years. It's not a good thing. Umuntu makana-70 una-70, what's the use ukuthi simyehlise sithi una-10 ana-70, yabo? Abantu abafunde naye bayamazi, they can testify. I've been saying this, age cheating eSouth Africa mostly kule team egqoka black, they did it ngoVilakazi, oVilakazi, they did it ngoSenzo Menyisa. So yini eniyenza ukuthi ngicabange ukuthi lo umbokazi lo mncane? I've been saying it. They just wanna sell him a higher price because bazothi age yakhe usasemncane. Iqiniso linendlela yokuzikhipha bafethu.